Hello, here I'm going to show you the visual field test results of Miss Rosemary Zardi, the 70 years old retinitis pigmentosa patient from Switzerland. This is her first test before the treatment at 13th April 2014, and as you can see, most of the visual field test is covered with the black areas, which represent that she cannot see anything from those areas. And there's a skull on the right side of the test that shows the brighter the colors get, the sharper is the visual acuity. And the black areas can't see anything, purple areas can see a little bit but not so sharp, and it goes on like this, and the yellow areas are the highest visual acuity. So here we see a characteristic tunnel vision of RP before the treatment, and if we will divide this visual field into four, we can say this is the left upper part, right upper part, left down part, right down part. So there are average scores of our visual field on those sides before the treatment. And this is her result after the treatment at 14th June 2014. We can see here that her vision has expanded on the left upper side, right upper side, and left down side. And this also reflects with the numbers here that her average score rising up from 2.8 to 6, so which is an improvement like more than 100% here, and also from 4.8 to 7.8, from 1.9 to 2.4, and from 4.4 to 3.9, for example. So we see here that the patient is able to see right now from the left upper side, right upper side, and the left down side a lot better than before. So this means when she looks into something, she can realize now the things, the objects, people from those areas, which she couldn't do it before. And this is the most important thing, one of the most important things with RP in details. We can see that the black points here, you see, they are absolutely defected areas on her vision, on her visual field test. And from those points she cannot see anything, as we talked before. And there are altogether 75 areas on those visual field tests, and here with 52 we see that 52 absolute defective points she has. After the treatment, on her right eye, this 52 absolute defect areas decreased to 38, and before it was just more than 2/3 of her vision, and it has decreased to half of her vision that she also feels during the treatment. Now I will show you again. This is before the treatment, and this is after the treatment of 6 weeks. Now proceed with her left eye before the treatment. As you see, she had a very small area, and in her first video she told that she is not able to see anything with her left eye. She couldn't read, she couldn't see anything, and this reflects also with the visual field. She has a tiny area on her central vision, but the visual acuity is very, very low. Therefore, it makes her almost impossible to read and to see with that. After the treatment, this area on her central vision, we see that the higher visual acuity areas, the red one and light red one, they have increased a lot, and this enabled the patient during the treatment to read and to see with her left eye. At least it started to see anything, but of course there is a lot to do still with this eye. And again, the absolute defected areas, so with this eye we had like 70 absolute defected areas. She could only see from 5 areas. Now it's 6 or 7, 5, 6, 7. So she can see from an additional 2 points. So this was all. Thank you for watching.